Hello out there to all of the trailer nerds and DC fans, customers, DC family. I'm Jacob Crabb, VP of Sales and Marketing. Today I'm coming to you from the Blue Building. It's a building that we had purchased a few months ago. We've renovated it into an engineered beam fabrication center. We're super excited about it. Engineered beam has blown up the last few years, and we knew we needed to invest. And what we're stoked about is this whole building. If you'd only saw it a few months ago, it wasn't run down or anything, but it had been home to multiple different businesses over the years, successful machine shops. So we thought it took it as an honor, actually, as an honor to be able to renovate this building and have it be part of the equation to fuel the growth and success of our team members, customers, and community. And so we're going to take a quick peek inside, show you a couple of the machines. The first robot is installed, and we'll be testing beams here in the next next week or two. And then shortly after that, within a few weeks, the second robot will be installed and we'll be off to the races. So let's go take a look. Here's the building. What you've got, we're going to have some space down there. That end door is kind of a smaller building off to the side for a R&D area to be able to work on projects and different things. We'll have, of course, in the middle some offices, the boring stuff. This is a receiving bay for new materials. So right here, the 18-wheeler will pull in this bay here, and will be unloaded by these big Mac Daddy cranes. Material will, and the material flows a long ways down through the building. So not sure exactly how big the building is, but it's pretty good size. That kind of alleyway goes over to that R&D area I was talking about. So first, right here, you'll have a couple of big plas tables. So they're going to be cutting out the beam webs and stuff, and they will process them, whether it's all the small beams or big beams. Everything will be cut out here. You can see there's still a lot of work going on. This is where the magic will happen, though. This is a big dual arm. You see it's got one here, it's got one down there, but the beams right here will be clamped in. There's lots of efficiency gain from these new clamp tables that our guys have built, the works of art. And then the two big welding arms will race down here, welding out all of the engineered beams that we need. The cool thing about this process, we'll be able to weld two beams at a time, versus our current process where it's really only one. So we'll get a lot of efficiency gain just out of one shift, and be able to continue to build capacity to better serve you guys. Try and get you stocked back up, get trailers on your yard. So I appreciate you spending a few minutes of time with me. Like I said, we are stoked about this project and investing back into the business to be able to better serve you. Because at the end of the day, you guys are what makes the business, you guys and your customers. So have a great day, and we'll see you on the road.